Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to do this cute cat beanie. Because this is a beanie, I prefer to use some yarn which includes wool in it. For this specific one, I will be using the Starlight yarn from Hobby. And of course, I will share with you the pattern here in the description to this video. We will start as usual with making a slip knot. And the yarn I will be using is 60% superwash wool, 25 polyamide, and the rest is reflex. So this way the head will be warm and as well shiny during the nighttime period if you are, for example, walking with your dog. After the slip knot, we will start with chaining 75. Now for the round one we will be using only half double crochet, starting from the second chain from the hook and making it in each chain across. After that we will turn our work to continue. now we will turn our work and start to work round 2 with chaining 1. For this round we will be doing extended half double crochet. So this means you need to yarn over, insert your hook in stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and draw through first loop on the hook, yarn over and draw through all 3 loops. So it is modification of half double crochet. It's similar to double crochet, but in the double crochet we are firstly drawing through 2 first loops and then through 2 second loops. For the extended half double crochet we are drawing yarn through first loop on the hook and then drawing through 3 loops. Just try to repeat what I'm showing you on this video. I promise you the result will be beautiful. And for the round 2 we are doing this extended half double crochet only on the back loops. So not under the full stitch, only in the back loop. So now we will start round 3, also with chaining 1, and in this round we will be making half double crochet in the back loop only for each stitch across. The pattern is very simple because after the round 3 you will need to repeat only round 2 and round 3 till you will have desired size. Usually it's somewhere between row 15, 17 for my head because I like oversized hats. I made a 21, but usually it should be enough to have like around 17, 19 rows, depends from the yarn you are using. After you will finish doing make your rows, you will have a rectangle. So to finish this hat, fold rectangle in half and sew the long sides together. Put hat on. So the seams are on the sides of your hat and until it's pulled all the way down. So you will have the hat. If you would like, depends of how much rows you will do, you can combine the colors as I showed you on the first picture. On this video I combined this bright magenta or bright pink color with the gray one, and in my opinion it's the great combination for the winter season. This is how your finished work will look like. This is the other beanie cat hat I made with the same yarn but the different colors. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and leave a comment to my video. Bye!